This man's taken all I've got and left me in my stately home, blazing on a sunny afternoon. And I can sail my yacht to stake and everything I've got, all I've got this sunny afternoon. Save me, save me, save me from this squeeze. I got a big bad mama trying to break me, and I love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon. In the summertime, in the summertime, in the summertime. My girlfriends drove up with my car and left me with my ma and pa, telling tales of drunkenness and cruelty. Now I'm sitting here, sipping at my ice cold beer. All I've got's this sunny afternoon. Help me, help me, help me sail away. Oh, just give me 2 good reasons why I gotta stay. And I love to live so pleasantly, live this life of luxury, lazing on a sunny afternoon. time.